Why this fellow is not kicking him? You see, we don't need weapons, we are weapon. We are weapon. And I think we can go into this thing on here, it's a secret thing. Yeah, you see? It's interesting, this game has been loaded from cassette. And it does not need to load after it has been loaded. So there are not parts or something. So let's be a snack for this crocodile. So the cool thing about this game is the sound. This game was programmed from System3, and System3 is the company who made also Last Ninja. We know Last Ninja, and Tusker somehow wasn't visible in that time, and it has the same way how the protagonist from here, this fellow on there, is walking. However, I don't know how to pick up. I don't know how to pick up this weapon. I don't know how to pick up this weapon, this pistol. But I don't want to play this with you. I want to give you the feeling how long does it take. It takes ages. Okay, so be prepared. It will be a real time. It will not be a long play as we see on YouTube. It will be a long load. Okay, so I will pause this video, prepare these things, and then let's roll. Okay, so what we see on here, this is my Commodore 64 with a broken hack of the S-video out. The one cable got off, so it's connected with RF cable to this television, and then on here we have a data set recorder, and on here's Tusker. It's two-sided, and there is a counter. There is set to 0. Okay, so and on here we simply press these two keys. It says load, press play on tape. Yeah, we know this. Yeah? Okay, so my camera work. You know, I don't need to hurry because my time is much less than the time the game will need to load. So let's play. Let's press play. Okay. Okay. So, friends, I will go for a smoke, and then I will go to take a shower. Okay. And just for you, it's Tusker. Tusker. Okay. Can you put this here? Can you see this? Who knows? Okay. Also, see you and enjoy the loading music. Bye. Oh, that's bad. There's something wrong. Sorry? Let's do it once more. Something was bad. Okay. Maybe we'll switch it off. And on again. Okay. Let's try once more. So this is also an experience we had in our childhood, right? I will stay with you, friends, as long as we are Tusker. Okay, now it's correct. Okay. So now one cigarette, one shower, okay? It will need about 500 counts on the tape recorder. One side is a little bit about cyber load. Yeah, cyber load. It's about 380 cycles before the side A of the cassette has been passed. And it does not tell us, but then we need to flip the cassette and it will continue up to 580 or whatever. So it takes time. Yeah, it takes time. Is it maybe cool to see also the Commodore? I don't know. Is it cool? Let's make like this. Okay? Okay. A little bit tilted, but you know. Ah, music. I will crank up a little bit. So I have music while I'm smoking. Enjoy. Bye. That's bad, right?